My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Doyin and Pere, they don't finally settle their differences ever since they come out from the Big Brother Naija All-Star season. And also, Chichi don't come out to call remember her ex-boyfriend they call Deji, and she don't give the guy better woto again. A few days ago, Doyin do an interview, podcast rather, with a YouTuber, and she talked about her relationship with Venita, Pere, and some other housemates, and how the daughter resolve and so far. We all know as Doyin math sharp. Now from the interview, you go see it say she and the man they actually get back and forth during their section. So we all know also before Doyin enter inside Big Brother All Stars, or even before she entered the Level Up season, she was a radiographer. And since she come out of the Level Up season, she never go back to her practice. Most of these housemates they actually get what they do before they enter Big Brother house, but once they enter their command, it's as if they know they won't go back to their job, or they feel say maybe they don't arrive, they're not supposed to go back to their job. So in the very record, they ask, what be the reason why you not go back to your job, whether you don't quit the job? She said no, say she actually they on a break for now. And the reason na because she did very busy since she come out from the Big Brother Naija Level Up season and all of that. So she actually says she not go into the Big Brother house just to come out to come go back to her job of being a radiographer. Rather, she entered there to explore the industry. Everyone ask us, okay, why be say most of her colleagues once they come out they don't want to go back to their jobs? She say, well, say some of them when they come out of the show, say life they always favor them, like the show they always favor them. Why some people the show not they favor them? So those ones where we say the show not favor, those ones going need to go back to their job and all of that. So in the interview, I call us and say, okay, the issues where we say you and Venita get, what's up with the issue and all of that. So during contact say she not go spend 10 minutes of her time actually talking about Venita. The interviewer can say, okay, what be the reason why you feel say you know if you talk about Venita? So she can't say the truth be say there's no reason to, because Venita on the other hand, know they talk about how we be doing, so she too no go talk about Venita. Say she don't talk about everything. Say she won't talk about Venita for the show. Say so anybody will be saying won't hear anything. Maybe she talk about Venita. Maybe the person just watch the show. Ask about her fight with Pere. Say waiting really so other two of them don't settle and all of that. She say yes. Say she and Pere actually they cool after the house. Say the truth be say emotions will hide that the way make Pere punch the wall the way they do, and say but not they stupid to actually hit her. So in the very can say, I did been that punch meet you for red for you. Then you can say well say she know to say he no go hit her, say na just anger, he just dey angry at that particular time. To me Doyin dey very intelligent, but I don't know, her lifestyle just dey scripted. There's just something about her wey be say not just dey right somehow. To me she was more real when she come for Level Up than this all stars sef, because these all stars it's as if she dey try to prove a point. She just want dey force things wey be say no dey there. To me just one dey unnecessary controversial in every interview wey be say she don dey do so far. The thing just sound so unreal to me. Claim say you dey so smart, you dey so this, you dey so that. You don't know say when you walk into an interview or you walk into a room where be say another person dey there, now you go greet. Not the people where dey there now go greet you. Once you enter a room where be say people dey, now you go first greet. Some interview they tell the man to say you dey wait make he greet you. Makes no sense to me. People wey be say they drag her to say she come for podcast to talk about Venita just because of one thing. Una hear wetin she talk for the podcast. She not talk anything reasonable about Venita. She not even talk reach 2 seconds about Venita for this. So make una cut her some slack for that particular aspect. So after the interview, come they see she and Pere they do lovey dovey online. So Pere come say it's all love at Doyin official. You are a sweetheart. Doyin can reply and come say at Pere will be you to come put 3 white emoji. So as two of them reconcile, people can come out to come give their opinion about their reconciliation. The first person here say Pere Doyin Ilebaye, Venita Adekunle Sisi really entertained us last year. Come put laughing emoji. You need to add Ike and Alex. Now all these people now 7 of them, I really give us a show for that start. I didn't mean they remove the 7 of them from that show. Now nonsense for wash. That one can say Doyin tried. Make we not lie. She wasn't scared of any of them. Whatever she says behind you, if the situation calls for it, she will still say it in front of you without stuttering. The next one say Pere is just too violent. Look at how he punched the wall, still hit Neo. The next
and they're calling me names and you know for a fact that
This should be the fucking last time. Are you hearing me? The fucking last time.
hit me. Hit me. Over something that you said.
one say
No. Hold
this
on.
girl can push you to a breaking point. if you can't control your emotions. As much as Doyin dey do say she sabi more than everybody, I just hope say she go dey careful with the things wey be say she dey talk sometimes, because no be everybody be Pere wey be say go hold the blow. Some men dey not send you, they go really land the blow for your face and your teeth go comot. I am glad say both of them they actually don reconcile, and na so life suppose be. E no suppose dey that hard. Unto Chichi matter, for those of una wey watch Big Brother Naija Level Up season reunion, we see the way Deji and Chichi fight dirty for there. They disgrace each other well. The fight, the love, all the love, the shippers where they ship them before, the chichippers, they were in serious mode. When she and Deji they dey around among people for outside, say the guy could be a very different person, like they treat her like an outcast. Say, but when they dey for inside room together, the guy ready to wash her clothes, clean her leg, do everything for her. Me say Deji dey ashamed of just because she be stripper, she be erotic dancer, whatever wey be say she dey do that time. She call out Deji for the reunion. Deji on the other hand come say she used the Big Brother Naija Level Up issue as an elevation from poverty, something like that. The main thing wey be say pain Chichi wey make her attack Deji like that during that reunion that time, na the fact say she come out to come see and hear the things wey Deji talk about her for her back. For those of us wey watch the show, we see the way Deji trash talk this girl, give other housemates for her back without her even knowing. Go come dey kiss her, they do all those things, only for them to reach the reunion. The guy they talk say he tell her many times say no one date her, but you have been sleeping with her. You don't want to date somebody, you have been sleeping with the person, you have been using the person. You think say you dey smart, they talk bad things about the person for back. All those things I sure say na wetin make Chichi, as Chichi remember all those things again, she start today again to dey drag the Deji. And her fans they dey for Snapchat, they do ask me a question and all of that. So some people come they ask her certain things about Deji. This first person is here say, can he even handle her? I was so sad seeing my girl run after him, that guy will be like gay. Chichi can respond cause I promised to share some of my replies. Can say una mat no good o, una mat wicked o. Another person come answer and say Deji didn't deserve you at all. In fact, all the BB boys don't deserve you. She can reply, hey God, o, come put laughing emoji. To be honest, Deji not deserve Chichi, honestly, because Deji lies a lot. No. People where they blame Chichi to say she saw the red flag, she shook her head for where Deji dey. Love is blind. Most of the time, women when they love completely. Unlike men, where we say their love they conditional. Where we say they go love, they go see they use their other eye till they look you. Women once they love, like they know they see any other thing. Chichi go move past this Deji of 18 because it's been how many years. Why she dey remember the boy again? They allow people they ask her other questions. Those questions that they ask you now, something where we say you supposed to avoid. You can't even post them for your Snapchat as what now? Some of her fans don't come out to come call her out because according to them, they don't like that type of thing she do. So the first person they can say she could have avoided all this unnecessary drama. It's been years, girl. No one asks you to do this. And that one say, does Chichi miss Deji? Because she could have avoided this question. Next one say she still wants him. And that one say it's been years, like girl, move on. The last person here say failed stripper, one or trend with the career man. Rest and go meet your league. Madam, Chichi and Deji, who get league pass? So as Chichi make that statement, Deji come out, come reply her. Come say they just can't forget you. No be small thing, no. As Lord and personal savior, now where they not go forget. Deji rest. Chichi, you too rest. Una too, una not dey shame. Anyways, I hope Chichi go move on. She dey always stay out of trouble. I don't know the one wey be say they bite her this period. Una take care, una bye.